Dear colleagues, we are pleased to present a report on creating a cloud-based translator training environment using Memsource. In our presentation, we will focus on selecting Memsource as a core element of a cloud-based environment for translator training and to using Memsource in translator training to create a cloud-based environment. The popularity of cloud technologies is growing rapidly in all fields. The translation industry is no exception. The last 2 decades have seen a dynamic of scholarly attitudes that correlate with the development of information technologies. According to Gambin, one of the most important changes over the last 10 years has been the proliferation of solutions with a clear trend towards cloud solutions. The Palman Sargent argues that the field of translation services will undoubtedly move to cloud-based solutions in the near future. Müge concludes that cloud-based systems are easy to use. The research is relevant because of expanding the range of translator tools, developments in information technologies for translators, the popularity of cloud technologies, advantages of Memsource system. The Memsource cloud-based system for mastering the principle of translation project is a good choice as the basic component of a cloud-based training environment for translators. The following arguments can support this decision. The software interface is clear and easy to master. The demo version are function on all the main operations of translation projects. It is possible to integrate the system with other cloud-based translation tools. There is a wide choice of interface languages during the recitation process. The possibility of supplementing the functionality of the system by connecting terminology, resources via terminology and translation memory databases. An equally important argument in favor of using Memsource as the base element of cloud-based system is a widespread use and study in the world's leading universities training translators. You can see on the slide geography of university use of Memsource cloud system. The official Memsource website offers different versions of the program, structures according to needs and the level of work to be performed, Team Start, Team Ultimate, and Enterprise. Each of these versions can be used to form a cloud-based environment for translator training. However, we have chosen Team as model as closely as possible the organization of the workflow and automatization of its stages with a multi-level management structure and control of the conditions of translation services according to the standard. Another important condition, an annual license to use in order academic program. You can see marking on the Memsource Cloud System website that the license has been granted. The team program allows organization of a hierarchical management system. A cut of a performance was formed from the students and given different statuses. In particular, the system provides 4 different statuses that can be given to enrolled performers, namely administrator, project manager, linguist, and guest. The vast majority of the students in each individual project had the status of linguist. Students with project manager status mastered management skills. The settings established for this status also allowed for the creation and maintenance of terminology and translation memory bases within a single project, the management of its execution team, and the monitoring of the project progress status. You can see an example on the slide. An example translation project the students did is shown in the next slide. An example of checking spelling in Memsource is on the next slide. In order to determine the feasibility of using Memsource in translator training as the main component of a cloud-based environment, we propose to the students who had gained experience with this cloud-based automated translation system while studying the course Information Technologies in Translation projects to evaluate the useful of the individual functions of the system using a 5-point scale. The high score for the significant number of functions indicated that the students have understood their benefits and usability, have mastered their skills, and realized their effectiveness. Thanks for your attention.